Straight into the heart of the matter, we delve into the poignant narrative behind BTS's musical gem, Spring Day. A composition that's far more than just melody and rhythm, it's a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Spring Day is a tribute to the victims of a tragic ferry disaster that shook South Korea in 2014. It's a haunting melody wrapped in sorrow, regret, and the longing for lost friends. But it's not all despair. BTS weaves a tale of hope, of the spring that always follows the harshest winter. It's a poignant reminder to all of us that after every trial, tribulation, and tragedy, life blooms again. Spring Day isn't just a song, it's an anthem of hope, a message of resilience, and a tribute to the indomitable spirit of humanity. A truly fitting salute to BTS's genius. Remember, after the coldest winters, spring always comes. Just like Spring Day will always remain, a timeless masterpiece. If you're feeling the winter chill, listen to Spring Day. Let it remind you that spring is just around the corner.